Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this really fun glitter liquor bottle. For the materials, you'll need a clear liquor bottle, polyurethane, plastic cups, fine glitter, and an optional pipette or syringe. First, put some of the poly into the bottle. I used a pipette because it was easier to control, but you can just pour it in if you don't have one. Then spin the bottle around to slowly coat the inside. After that, turn the bottle upside down to pour out the extra poly. Then set it upside down in a cup for a few minutes to make sure all the extra poly is out. Once you think it's good, pour a good amount of glitter in the bottle. Spin the bottle around to coat the inside. Pour out any extra glitter. And that's it! I think it turned out so cool, and now I want to do it with every bottle. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.